Hey guys, we're working on a 2012 Volkswagen Golf. Just want to show you how to access the service menu. This is a little different than normal, but on this wiper switch here, there's two buttons. There's a rocker button, and then underneath there's a button for OK. So what you'll do is you'll hold the rocker switch down for 5 seconds. That'll pull up the settings menu, and then you just press the rocker button up and down and then press OK on this lower button, and that'll bring you to the service menu. And here you can set the time, or for most people you'll be resetting the service. And then to get back to the main, you just select the back and then select MFI, and that'll bring you back to your standard menu. I hope that helped. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.